In this lecture, we are going to discuss different type of style sheet. Totally, we are having 3 style sheet. First one is inline style sheet. Inline style sheet means we place the style sheet styles with the help of style attribute. With the help of style attribute, we are attaching different properties and values to particular element. Suppose there is a paragraph is there. Inline means we are placing particular properties and values within the inline element as a attribute properties. Just observe, style is a attribute and we place different properties here, different properties, and each property is separated with a help of semicolon. Properties and values are separated by semicolon. And one more is internal style sheet. Internal in the sense with the help of style tag. With the help of style tag, we can attach different type of properties and values to different elements, right? This inline element means only it is applicable for one element, but with the help of internal style sheet, we can provide group of properties and values to group of elements. That is possible, right? Inline element for one element, number of properties and values, but internal style sheet we can attach a group of properties, not a single element, multiple properties and multiple values to multiple elements. So just observe, with the help of style tag we achieve this, and we place number of properties like a tag name we are using. Suppose when we are using tag name as a P, and how many paragraphs are available in that web page, that all paragraphs are infected with the help of these properties and values. Suppose there is H1, we are not placing one selector, we place multiple selectors, a group of selectors like a image tag and table tag, plenty ways we can write, and universal, class, ID, many facilities are available in this internal style sheet. And third one is external style sheet. External style sheet in the sense, first we take one file and save the file with .css, and here you can place different type of selectors and properties and values, and this file may containing different type of selectors and properties and values, and this file you can link with particular HTML with the help of link tag. With the help of link tag you can place link tag having different attributes, that is a relation attribute, style sheet, and type, text, CSS, and href. Href in the sense you place here address of .css file, like this file address you place here, right? So what is the benefit here? Just observe, the inline element, there is a one drawback is there. What is the drawback? Group of properties and values for only single element. We cannot attach a multiple element, right? Single element. And with the help of this internal style sheet we overcome this problem. So internal style sheet we place one selector is for multiple elements in that web page, multiple elements, right? There is no duplication, one properties and values for multiple elements, so duplication will be available. So when we are observing inline style sheet, suppose we are placing inline this style attribute for multiple paragraphs, you may write this style attribute for multiple times, means the duplication code will be occur here. But this internal we are avoiding duplication. Once you place this P selector with the different properties and values, it will be infected with different paragraph elements. But here also there is a one drawback is there. This internal style sheet is for only one web page. Only one web page. Suppose you want to attach same properties for another web page, and you again place this, you can again write this entire styles. But external style sheet, what is happening in external style sheet? Once you design one group of styles in, once you place group of styles in one particular file.css file, and this file may be infected, attached with a number of web pages. Number of web pages will be affected, and there is a one drawback is there. What is the drawback? Suppose when we are updating this file.css, suppose this file.css is in fact attached with 10 web pages. What is the drawback here? Suppose unexpectedly we are updating this file.css, we are modifying, otherwise we are removing one particular selector, automatically this 10 pages will be infected. That is a drawback in this external style sheet. But in internal style sheet, what is happening? It is the same web page. So developer may never confuse. The web page will be having very clear one, right? That this type of mistakes never happens in this internal style sheet. And suppose we are adding one web page. Suppose we are adding one web page. This is a one web page, and we are attaching these three properties. We are adding link tag and style tag and style attribute. We are placing this all link and style tag and style attribute. Which one having high priority? There is a inline and internal and external. So you observe the inline is a high priority. Inline is a high priority. Suppose you are using color attribute green, and here same property you are providing green, blue here you are providing, and you are providing here color attribute is yellow. When you are attaching these three properties, these three style sheets to one web page, then the text color would be green only. The text color would be green. Why? Because this inline style sheets are having high priority. So we check this all these three types in real example. Right, just open Visual Studio Code. Where is our Visual Studio Code? These are sample. I want to take one sample code. Type dot html. Just observe. This is a very simple web page. Very simple. Right now we don't want this meta tag. So meta tag is for browser SEO level. Right. We provide our web page information. So here paragraph tag is, so we are going to live, same web page, we are using p tag paragraph. Welcome to FS with Srikanth. So these are normal paragraph. Just observe, this is a one more. I am copying this, and multiple paragraphs are there. So how we are applying? First, inline style sheets. We try to apply inline style sheet. Style attribute. Style attribute. Style. We may place any property. So here color. So here I want to place blue. What happens? Automatically it infected, right? Affected. Again one more style. That is green. Color yellow. So it is one color, right? And paragraph color style color pink. So in this way we apply styles. So these are nothing but style. With the help of style attribute, what we are placing, that is inline style. And I try to add these properties paragraph. So with the help of style tag may place within the head tag. Within the head tag we place style tag. So here I am using paragraph tag. This is a paragraph tag having background color. Background color I want to use here. This is a background color. Then automatically background color will be affected, right? Suppose body tag is having another background color. So this way we implemented, right? So this is a style tag. With the help of style tags we may write properties, and we may write here different one. Suppose here I am removing the second one, the text color I was removed here, text color, but within the paragraph I want to write the paragraph. Just observe color I want to write violet, right? Violet color I want to place here. Then what happens? Just observe, this is one different color, and these two paragraphs, 1 and 3 paragraphs not affected. Why? Because high priority. Inline styles are having high priority. It never be override. Actually the internal styles are not powerful than inline, right? So right now I want to create one CSS, external CSS, right? So ext dot CSS, I'm creating just very common CSS, right? So here I want to place a group of styles, right? Same paragraph tag, text align, so center, and font color, font size 26 pixels. So just observe these two properties I am placing here, very two properties. And I want to add this ext.css file to this. Where is our type.html? I want to add this one here. So with the help of link tag it will be possible. Link tag, with the help of link tag, link, so rel href. What is href? Address of the web page. Here address, where is this ext.css? Just observe here. So automatically the font size, what is our this ext dot text align is center. Just observe, not text align center. Here I am font style italic. Suppose I want to place italic, automatically affected, right? What is the high priority? Suppose I am using here color, I want to use here white color. I want to place white color, not affected, right? So one tag in never, all tags are having similar priority, right? So all are violet, right? Nothing, there is no. So suppose here I am using this. High priority is inline, and second high priority is internal, and third priority is external. Just observe this external, this already ext.css file is attached with this p tag, right? Already this is a type.html file, and already we are having another web page here, another web page. So here, so already we have one web page, and here I want to add link style sheet dot ext.css. What happens? But I want to stop. Just observe, go live. So what is having this ext.c? What happens? Text paragraph tag, text align center. Where is the text.css? Type text slash css. Paragraph having font size 26 pixel at 120 pixel. I am using here 120 pixel. Then there is a size automatically affected, right? So 26 pixels, and a background color. Just then you observe, right? Very clear. Background color pink. Background color. This paragraph tag is having background color pink. Where is the text.html? This is a paragraph, and I am is also one paragraph, and two paragraphs are there, right? So in this way it will be affected. Totally how many we are having, how many ways we can implement inline style sheet and internal style sheet and external style sheet. What is a high priority? Inline style sheet is a high priority. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.